If you're looking to capitalize on innovation while maintaining stability, the golden sectors portfolio is your gateway to high growth opportunities across diversified industries. The golden sectors portfolio is designed for wealth creation through a strategic blend of top performing sectors like technology, healthcare, FMCG, and energy. With innovation-driven growth at its core, it balances steady returns from resilient sectors with the agility to capture cutting-edge market opportunities. By minimizing concentration risk and optimizing allocations, this portfolio delivered 34.75% returns in a single year, outperforming benchmarks. It invests in sector-leading funds such as HDFC Pharma, ICICI Tech, and DSP New Energy. No lock-in and flexible SIP options to make it ideal for medium to long-term investors. At Stack Wealth, our experts have carefully chosen funds that have strong long-term performance, good mix of investments, and low fees. This makes our golden sectors portfolio ideal for anyone looking to build wealth.
Stack Wealth is a new age investment management company that helps you take your wealth to new heights. Our team consists of experts with 25 plus years of experience managing investments for more than 1 lakh investors. Our team of experts help you curate a personalized mutual fund portfolio based on your goals and risk tolerance. They help you decide your asset allocation. They also help you identify high-performing sectors to help you generate additional returns. And finally, we help you manage and monitor your investments in real time. First, download the Stack Wealth app from the Play Store or App Store and complete your sign-up by entering your mobile number and email ID. Now you can explore the app, get your personalized mutual fund portfolio, or browse our various investment opportunities. To start investing, you have to complete your KYC. Once your KYC is completed, you can start investing in your personalized mutual fund portfolio or explore our expert-curated investment opportunities. If you're not sure where to begin, your dedicated wealth manager will help you. Now you can start an SIP or make a one-time investment. Remember, you can always pause your SIP anytime and edit the SIP amount if you want to increase or decrease it. Finally, you can sit back, relax, because our wealth team will rebalance your portfolio based on shifting market conditions, identify and recommend new investment opportunities, give you monthly portfolio reports so you know exactly how your portfolio is performing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon to stay notified, because we are making finance and investing as simple as possible for everyone. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.